art class during a pandemic. Thoughts and logistics. Art might seem like a trivial thing to do during a pandemic, but frivolity, play, and making stuff with materials in a way that gives us a sense of purpose, those are important parts of what art is. And that can be very important to maintain when other parts of our social, human activity has been put on pause. Art can be a refuge from the instrumentalization of time. So, when faced with the overly scheduled time of Google Classroom due dates, or an abundance of time at home, art can definitely be something to turn to. My goal as your art teacher is to plant ideas about how to channel your thoughts and energies. Hopefully the assignments range from feeling fun and energizing to introspective and peaceful. Comment below with any ideas you have. I would definitely love to hear them. This is a new art class format for me as well. You can also share ideas with me and ask questions during my office hours. They are Mondays and Wednesdays at 10 a.m. I will be live streaming myself drawing until someone joins to talk to me. Otherwise, I will be in a sad Google Meet by myself looking really bored for an hour. I'm excited to provide a platform for you all to share your work with each other online, since I can't actually hang it in the hallways because no one's there. I'll be documenting and uploading your recent paintings that you did in class to an online art exhibit next week, and anything new that you make, you can upload it as well. Just submit it on Google Classroom. On a separate note, since art assignments are more hands-on than other classes, make sure to be respectful of shared spaces with your families. I know that you're all very conscientious, but I'm imagining the sprawling art projects that I might have left around the house at your age. When everyone's all cooped together, being respectful of space is a way to be respectful of each other. For example, sometimes the camera person indiscriminately leaves cups around the apartment, all over the place, and where does that leave me? Parched. There's no clean cups. There's no clean cups. However, on my end, I could be more forgiving because one, it's not that big a deal. I could just wash a cup. Number two, he actually does all of the dishes, so that's great. And also, he's working for free as a cameraman. So yeah, okay. Those are all my thoughts. I will see you. I probably won't see you in person actually, but I will be excited to see your art.